Hello guys and welcome to SVP. Today we've got this lovely example Mitsubishi Evo 6 in with us. It's going to be receiving a Wagner fuel treatment, as you can see here. So let's crack on with it.
So, with this stunning example of a Mitsubishi Evo 6, we begin the fuel treatment simply by opening the fuel filler flap and removing the cap as seen here. The next step is to use a basic calculation, as the Wagner fuel stabiliser uses a 1:1000 ratio. So it's 1 ml per solution to every 1 litre of fuel. It's as simple as that. This Evo 6 has a 50 litre fuel tank, so we must add a total of 50 ml. So we recommend doing this when filling up from a fuel station. But as we've already filled up this car, we begin with adding the solution, and once done, refit the cap, and it's really just as simple as that.
Now the solution's in the tank, it's time to let the solution flow through the fuel system. Let's fire it up.
So, if you're interested in protecting your pride and joy from new and damaging E10 fuel, or even looking for better fuel consumption and give your fuel system a new length of life, please feel free to get in contact today, and product links are also available in the description below.